In this video, I want to show you how easy it is for your clients to use the menu system in WordPress. In another video, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is for you to set up new menus for your client. But right now, let's focus on how this all works. This, of course, is the default 2010 theme that we've been seeing in WordPress. And there's the menu as it stands. I've added some pages, so that's how it looks after you've added a few pages. But actually, we're not using the WordPress menu system yet. If we go over here to Appearance and we drop this down and choose Menus, what we find is there are no menus set up. So what's happening here? Well, actually, there's some default coding that if there are no menus, there will automatically be a menu at the top here that says, get me all the pages from WordPress. But we're going to change all that now. What we're going to do is we're going to create a menu. I'm going to call it Top Nav. There we go. We create that. And you see a little tab here. And for every menu you've got, there'll be a little tab, very easy to manage. Notice all the items that were grayed out over here are now visible. And what it tells us is your theme supports one menu. In this case, there's just one called Primary Navigation, and there's a drop-down menu here. And on it, I will see anything that I've created over here in the menus. In this case, there's just the one Top Nav. So we're going to assign Top Nav to this primary navigation area. All right, that's been done. Now look what happens after I do that. The menu actually disappears. Why is that? Because we haven't assigned anything to this menu yet. But we've told the system to take over the default pages, and we've said insert this menu, which now needs some pages. Let's go down here. And you can select from create your own links, custom links. You can find the pages on your site and all the categories as well. There's others, but we won't go into them just now. One of the tricks when you're training your clients is the default tab on both of these is most recent or most used. So it doesn't show you all of them, and sometimes clients will say, oh, I can't find my page, it's not listed in the menu area. All they have to do is click on View All, and you'll see every single one of them. There'll be a scroll bar for you there. But let's put on all our pages right now. There we go. We click Add to Menu, and there they appear. It's that simple. But make sure you save the menu first. It's very easy to think they're there, but they haven't been saved yet. Now, when we go over here, our menu will actually reflect those changes we've made. Now it's drag and drop time. Very, very simple. I want to move Contact Us to the bottom here, to the end of the menu. Drag it, save menu, and there we have it. Everything changes. That's how easy it is for your clients to work with this. Another great feature of this is this page is called Our Website Services, but for the menu, I'd rather have it shorter than that. All I have to do is change the navigation label. I can say whatever I want on this label. It does tell me what the original page was, so I always remember that. And I hit Save Menu, and there's our change now on here. If I go to Services, you'll see it still says Our Website Services. So you have great flexibility with this. Again, flexibility to put in categories. Watch this. I'm going to add the SEO category, and it now becomes a kind of a page. I'll just drag it up here. I'm going to make it a sub-menu item for services. Watch this. Notice what I did there. It's indented. See the space? I dragged it over to the side. If I drag it over again, now it would be on the same level as services. If I drag it in here, see the little box, now it's a sub-menu of services. So I save that. Let's go back up to here and refresh. And now we can see, this is all set up, of course, in the style sheet. There it is, SEO is now a sub-page. Watch what happens. All it is a category page, a category archives page. And it just shows every single post in the category SEO. Now, you'll be able as a designer to change the template to make this look exactly the way you want, the way your client wants it. But for the moment, out of the box, this is how it looks. All right, let's go back to the menu. I want to show you one other thing that's very, very important here, and that is some themes don't support menus. It's something you have to actually put into the theme. If the theme doesn't support it, you'll get this error message. It's not really an error message, it's a warning. And you can use the custom menu widget, though, even if you don't have any areas, like we had primary navigation was an area where we could put menus. Without any of those, you can still use a custom menu widget. Let's quickly go see what that looks like. If we go into our widgets here, right down at the bottom here almost, you can see custom menu, and that can take, if we drag it over to here, see we're going to put it up on the sidebar here, and it allows me to select which menu. In this case there's only one anyway, but I could choose whichever menu I wanted to, and I'm going to save that now, and watch what happens on my sidebar over here. There's all my pages, including my subpages. So even if you didn't have any menu areas set up in your theme, you can still use this extremely flexible system that WordPress has created for dealing with our menus.